Does your pet struggle with inflammation and pain? 1 in 5 dogs will be affected by arthritis in their lifetime, and millions of pet owners are seeing happier, more content pets with the addition of ingestible CBD to their cat and dog's wellness routine. Madrigal Creatives allows you and the pets in your care to experience the benefits of living more, with innovative wellness products that include CBD, terpenes, and essential oils, like Madrigal Creatives Relief Plus Pain and Wellness Spray for cats and Relief Plus Pain and Wellness Spray for dogs. Madrigal Creatives pet products contain 0 THC and are not psychoactive. The cannabinoids in our biochemist formulated products interact with CB2 receptors in your pet's endocannabinoid system that all mammals have in order to return their system to healthy homeostasis and fight pain and inflammation. Zoe is a 13-year-old mixed breed rescue and has been a loyal family dog. In her elder years, she has experienced arthritis pain and weakness in her hips. With 4 daily sprays of Relief Plus, she remains an active member of her family. In clinical trials, CBD has had a significant impact on pain associated with arthritis, and in one study, CBD was administered after onset of clinical symptoms of arthritis, and the treatment with CBD was shown to effectively block the progression of arthritis. Clinical improvement was associated with protection of the joints against severe damage. Get your pets the assistance they need from inflammation and pain with Madrigal Creatives Relief Plus formulation, which assists with pain and inflammation and contributes to overall wellness with full-spectrum CBD, boswellia, and yucca to amplify the positive effects of CBD and create synergistic wellness benefits in order to assist your pets with daily activity and well-being. Relief Plus is also water-soluble, that allows for fast relief due to increased bioavailability of water-soluble CBD. And it comes in a tasty, natural chicken-flavored spray for easy spray-in-the-mouth application, or a few quick sprays to your pet's favorite treat. Let your pets enjoy relief from pain and inflammation by adding Madrigal Creatives Relief Plus to your cat and dog's wellness routine, and have them experience the wellness benefits of premium products and a more enjoyable family life. Madrigal Creatives. Revel in the joys of living more.